guys, it's Rainbow Sunshine, and today you guys get to hear my voice. Hello! Today I am gonna show you how to make your slime really soft if it's hard and you added too much activator or something like that. Just like this slime, I accidentally added too much activator, so that's why it rips and it's not as soft as I expected it to be. I thought it's going to be a really soft slime, but it's actually really hard. So, I am going to show you how to make hard slime really soft. Just like this one. Be right back. Okay guys, just like this slime. Woo! So, let's get on with the video. Let's go. Okay guys, for this thing you will be needing a mixing tool, a bowl with hot or boiling water, baby oil, and of course your hard slime. So what you will be doing is taking your water with hot or boiling water and adding some baby oil to it. And now it is time for you to mix it. Mix. Now what you're going to do is take little pieces of your slime. So I'm going to use this tiny piece of my slime and I'm going to put it in here and mix. Now I'm going to take it out. Look, you guys, it got soft. Oh, it's kind of hot. Put this to the side. Oh, you guys, this made it actually really soft. I really like it. This is how I expected it. By the way, you guys, if it gets stringy, that is okay. All you need to do is start kneading it and it will become into normal slime. Really soft. Oh, ew. That sounded weird. So now, after you have kneaded it, all you gotta do is repeat it, but remember, you have to take little chunks of your slime over and over again. So, I'll show you guys the tutorial again. What you gotta do, put your slime inside here, mix it in the hot water and baby oil, then take it out and eat it. So you guys, I'll come back when I'm done with all of the slime. Okay guys, this is my last batch. Let's add it in. Okay. Oh no, there's some more slime. Let's get it. Need it. Let me try to get this out so you guys can see. So, this is actually really soft. This worked. I like it. For some reason, I cut bigger batches instead of small ones. Don't know why, but I did. So you guys, here it is. Really soft. So let me just add it to my slime that is fixed. And you guys, I know you guys came here for some ASMR. So here we go. guys, so that is it. That is all I got from this video. And like and subscribe to be a Rainbow Sunshiner and comment down below.